Hi all. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Yakub.
Morning.
Let's hi. Good morning. Let's wait for another 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll start. Okay. It's almost 8:06, so we can start now. Let me record the session.
Recording in progress.
Okay. So before starting, so how many of you practiced yesterday? I see a couple of folks they have replied and they were getting the issue, but they at least tried. What about others? Everyone is trying, or anyone faced any issue about the yesterday's scenarios, or everyone is good with that scenario? Yes, no, maybe. So you all are good with that permission, right? Permission, file folder permission, how to create a user, how to manage user, how to manage password. So everything you have good, right? You are good with that, right? Or any doubt on those things? If no doubt, then today I'll go with cron tab. Okay. See, everyone should practice. Otherwise, you will forget Linux. Once you habituated with Linux, then fine. But until you are good with practice, hands-on with Linux, till that time you have to practice. Otherwise, you will forget. Maybe within a couple of weeks, you can forget everything if you are not practicing. Okay, let me share my screen. So today I'm going to cover cron tab. I'll explain what is cron tab and everything. Okay. So cron tab in Linux, you can like in Windows maybe some scheduler is there. I think you can schedule a task for in particular time. I whatever time I want to run that particular task. So the same way in Linux it is called cron tab. Okay. But it's telling a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like systems. It means you can give the time when that job should run. Job can be anything. Job in the sense in Linux, each and everything it is denoted like task or job. If you are creating one user also, that is one task. If you are deleting one user also, that is also one task or job, you can say. So those things I can schedule. Hey, if someone is telling, hey, can you create one account after
tertentu itu dengan klasifikasi. Atau kalau misalkan variabel yang kita prediksinya ini nilainya adalah
What is the name? I don't understand the name. Okay, fine. Let's
no, I
start.
mean, Samuel, stop. If just remove that person. Remove that person. If he wants to watch Japanese anime right now during class and not even bloody bother to finish
Uh,
homework, what is the point?
I maybe he is from some other country.
No,
Understand?
whatever it is. No, I mean,
He's talking his own language, maybe.
leave it.
Okay, fine. So what I said, like cron tab is scheduling the job, any job. That can be user creation, that can be user deletion, that can be password management, anything that is job. And what is telling cron tab is a file that will have all the scheduled tasks. You need to mention over there when that particular job should be running. Okay. So cron tab is basically a scheduler for Linux operating system, which can schedule the job when the job should be running. Okay. So purpose of cron jobs. So it is telling automating repetitive tasks. Suppose I have one task that I am doing many times. Suppose one task that I need to perform every hour, maybe 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 a.m., like this. So that time I don't need to go every hour and do the job. I can schedule particular time. Hey, can you please run this job every hour at the rate hourly? So that can be a possible on Linux operating system. Okay. So here, what are the uses? We can take backup. So these things is happening almost all the companies. They are taking backup on particular time. Okay. Maybe every day they are taking backup so that if something goes wrong on the main file, they can recover from the backup files. Also, log rotation. See, will be a lot of logs will be generating in Linux. I'll show you where those logs are storing. Okay, so those logs we are just rotating it so that, see, suppose every day it is logs are generated. Okay, but I don't need the logs for before 30 days or before 15 days. So what we'll do just rotate that log to some other folder or file, and we'll compress it or zip it so that our storage will be saved. So that can be done through this cron job also. Data synchronization, it means like if some like this kind of a backup, you can say, that is incremental backup called. So it is syncing the thing. So whatever updated thing happened for today, so tomorrow I'll be just updating to my some other folder where it should be same data should be needed. So that can be done through cron jobs also. So there are a lot of other purposes are there for cron jobs, but mostly we'll be doing automation purpose and repetitive task purpose. Okay. Now, cron tab file structure. So each line represents a task with two main parts. One is timing settings, another is command. Timing means when that particular job should run and which command should be executed. So these two things are very important in cron tab file that I'll show you in the server. But as of now, understand there are two important things. One is timing, another is command. Which time it should run and what command it should run on that particular time. So there will be fields will be available. I'll be explaining those fields also. So this kind of thing, like this is called timings and this is called your command. So there are two paths, you can say. Here each and everything will have the spaces that I'll explain in the next slide. But as of now, two things are here. One is timing, another is your script or your command. What command you should run? Okay, coming to next slide. So this is the timings field. What are the timing fields available? Total 5 fields are available in timing section. I could see 1 2 3 4 5. See, total 5 timings fields are there, and one command fields are there. So five, what are the things? The first field is called minute field. It means when the task runs during that particular hour. So it means here it is giving means 30 means what? It is 30 minute. Okay. Next is, next field is for what? That is for hour. When the task runs during the day, like which hour this particular task will be running. Here it was given two means it will be running on 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. The next field or third field is called day of the month. So which day? It is first day, third day, fourth day of the month. So that I need to bring it over there. Here what is there? The star means what? It is any day of the month. Star means any day. Okay. And what are the fourth field? That's called month. Okay, which month this particular job should run? Here star means it is telling that any month. Okay, can be January, February, March, April, any month. But I can denote. If it is January, I'll mention one here. So it will run on January month. Okay, like this. Cron tab file is taking the input. Okay, and it is executing as per your input. Okay, and the last field is called day of the week. Okay, one is Monday. So if you are giving one, it means Monday. Two means Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like this it will be keep going on. So there are 5 fields you should remember for cron tab. If you are not remembering, it would be somewhat tricky, but you can get it from the internet. In internet it is easily available, you can get it. But better to remember all these things. This is small thing you should: minute, hour, day of the month, day of the week. So you should remember like this, so that whenever you are going to schedule any job, you can easily schedule the job. Okay.
Can't we specify till when it should run? Like for 1 month or end time?
So yeah, sorry, what you were telling?
Can't we specify till when it should run? Like for a month, for a week?
Yeah, that
Or
also you
we have
can.
to
No,
manually
no,
delete?
no, we can specify that also. That is advanced option. As of now, I'm going with basic.
Okay.
That can be possible. So I want to run from only January to March, not more than that. So that can be also done. One hyphen then three, like this we can mention. Okay. So these are the syntax. Different syntax are there. Okay. If suppose if you have some script over here. Okay. In this script, whatever command you want to execute, you can mention. But this script part, whenever I'll cover that shell script, you'll understand better on that time. Shell script, what is shell script and what is there inside the shell script, and how to write it, how to execute it. All those things I'll be explaining in future classes. So here what it is telling: run a script every day at 2:30 a.m. So what it is telling: 32. 2 means second hour, 2 hours. Okay, so 2:30, and everything else is every day, every month, and every week. Okay, if I am mentioning something else, maybe this one I can make one, make it, maybe I can make two here, I can make three here. It means, can anyone tell me what can be this from here? By seeing this, I'll just paste it here. What it is telling: 2:30, this I am understanding. First means day of the month, means first day of the month, means first, maybe Next month what will happen? October, right? So November.
November.
So it will run November 1st. Okay. And this is for which month? I need to mention which month. Which month means November means which month? This one as of now, this is February. 2 means February. Okay. And which day? If 3 means one is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. It means Wednesday it will run. Wednesday, February month, 1st of February, 2:30 a.m. This script should run. Got it right or any doubt here?
To specify IST or UST, what will be the command in this case?
Depends which server or which zone. So I'll check which time zone it is there. So it will run as per the time zone. So as of now it is there on UTC time zone. So it will run on that. But if I'm changing this, then it will IST, then it will run on IST only. So time date CTL set time zone. Let me set time zone Asia / Kolkata. So it if I'm setting this now, it should be IST. Can you see this? IST. Now, if you are giving the timing, it will run on IST zone only.
Okay.
It will check the time here. If I'm giving date, so 8:21. So as per this timings, it will run whatever you are scheduling. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go to that slide again.
Samuel, quick query.
Yeah.
The 32,123 is there, right? So it is going to be like every 2 hours, 30 minutes, first of every month. And the month that you specified is now in February. But
Yeah.
if you actually give it as 3, what if the day is not going to be a Wednesday? What if first is not going to be a Wednesday?
Okay. Good question. Yeah. So this one, right?
It'll fail, right? Yeah.
Yeah. If it is not there, it will not. Like if it is not residing on that particular Wednesday, it will not run. Because
Correct.
I'm mentioning here, so that's what we should give here. So that I gave that example, but so like this we can give. If I want to, either I want the specified date or specific day of the week.
Yes.
So this I just gave example. That's what I didn't think about that.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
So like this we can give.
Yeah, we can. So even guys, I've shared even cron guru, which someone had actually told you guys, right? You can find it on the internet.
Yeah.
So you can use that to calculate your cron job. All right. So that'll make
Yeah. I'll show you.
calculating cron easy.
So
Okay. Thank you.
cron guru is there. So here it is easily you can do all the things yearly, hourly. I said hourly also we can schedule, so I can mention just at the rate hourly. Every hour it will be run, monthly, weekly, yearly, daily, annually. So everything it will be. So a lot of things are there. If you are giving timing here, suppose I want 10, what it is telling at 10 minute. If I'm giving 3 here, at 3:10 if I'm giving 5 here, what it is telling at 3:10, 5 day of the month 5. If I'm giving 2 here, what is telling 3:10 day of the month 5 in February. If I'm giving 3 here, what is telling weekday Wednesday in February. If it is not deciding on Wednesday, it will not run. Okay, because I'm specifying that thing. If it is matching, then only run, otherwise don't run it. Okay, so you can use this particular cron group to schedule a better job. You can understand it. It will give you all the information.
Guys, why we are emphasizing this is because cron is very important. Failure of one job can also cost a person's job, because something, if it is not scheduled or any backup is not taken and any critical things is failed, you're going to be held responsible. Someone knows.
Yeah. So you should know each and everything, and you should be very careful while scheduling the job. What happened, in production, maybe that job is dependent on other job. If that job is not running, other job will not run. That means your business can be on the loss. Maybe some database can be corrupted, some data can be corrupted, maybe anything can happen. So you should be very careful on this cron tab. Okay, and you should remember everything. Also, if you don't remember also, that is fine. You have this cron guru, use this. It is very useful tool. Okay, now some cron tab special timing strings. Okay, it means reboot means runs once at startup, means once the system coming up, it will reboot again. Don't try to run this command. Okay, it means you cannot log into your system. It will be keep rebooting. Okay, don't use this as of now, but rest you can use it. At the rate daily, what is telling, runs once every day at midnight, weekly, every Sunday, weekly, monthly, yearly, we can, or annually we can run. So if my my job should run on particular, maybe you can say January 1st. So this one we can give happy new year, right? We can send some message happy new year to this particular cron job. I don't need to go to every year to run that. I'll just schedule the job every year. It will be run happy new year, happy new year, happy new year. That is very best example for this yearly. Understood, right? So next, how to manage that cron tab. So cron tab, to schedule a cron tab, we need to go to the path etc cron tab. Okay, I'll show you once. I'll go to the server, then I'll show you. Okay, so here what is the view current users cron tab, like how many cron tab job is there as of now in the server. That can be showing through cron tab hyphen l command to edit cron tab hyphen e or remove cron tab hyphen r. Okay, so now I will come to server and I'll show you how cron is working. Okay, I don't know cron tab is installed or not as of now. Not there. Cron tab hyphen l. Okay, it means as of now cron tab is not installed by default in latest operating system, but in previous like red hat 7, before 7, that time it was there by default, but as of now they have removed. Like on the latest version we need to install crony. So to install anything, what is the command or what tool we should use, I already explained in previous classes.
Yum
Can anyone
install
Install
yeah, yum install
contact.
cron.
and that particular package name
Yeah.
for cron tab. Crony is the package name, I think. Okay, let's try it whether it is giving. Yeah, so crony, what it's telling, you want to install. Okay, I said yes, install it. So once it is installed, then let me try cron tab hyphen l. Now what it is telling, it is telling no cron tab for root as of now. It means there is nothing configured for cron job as of now. Okay, so now I need to configure what I said. Like to configure the cron job, we need to go to where vi etc cron tab. We need to edit here. Okay, can you see this here? They have already given all the options. Okay, you can schedule here one thing. Let me come out from this. There is another way also. You can say cron tab hyphen e, means for this particular user it will be creating one file. Okay, here I can give anything I want, right? Okay, star star star. It means, what is the meaning of star star star?
Any
I'll
day,
come
any
here.
minute, any time.
Like star. Let me give here what cron guru is giving. Okay. Space star 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 star. What it is telling? It is telling at every minute it will be running. Okay. If I am giving run one command that is called uptime. Okay. So it should show me, or I'll take the output. Let's try it. Okay. Wait, I'll say cron tab again. I'll here it is scheduling, but I am not getting as of now. It is running on background. I want to get some output. I'll say uptime. Sorry, uptime dot out. I want this file. Okay. What is the uptime? Every day it should show me. Now I'll do ls-l. Here's every minute, or this file should be generating, and I should get the output. Let's try it. I don't know whether it will work or not. If it is not working, we'll fix it. I didn't specify the path also. Fine. It 1 minute done or not? So maybe it didn't run. We'll check it. We have given correct command or not. No, it didn't take, I think. 1 minute done maybe. Okay. Let me give particular path. Maybe because of that it is not running. I'll say this uptime output should redirect to uh, where /root /uptime dot out. Okay. Now let me try it whether it is running or not. Let's wait for 1 minute. It's 8:32 now. We'll check on 8:33. Okay. Or else I'll write one shell script and I'll try to run it. It should give me the output. Now it's 8:32 still, and it should generate under root only because I have given the path. Till here, any doubt? How to schedule a job, cron job? What is the use of cron job? Okay, still it's not there. Something happened. Maybe cron job. I need to start. Oh, cron job is started or not? I don't know. I didn't check. Okay. Oh, still time is there. Let's try it. Oh, it's still started. Maybe. Date. Okay. Okay, didn't get it. So let me check whether the cron service is available or not. If this service is not running, means it will not work. Okay. System
Mhm. I think you gave the location, I think, right? Or
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
inactive also. Maybe this thing, the location also is /root/thing, right? You're in home, root home, na? It's the same path.
Yeah, root home /root is that is correct only because root's home directory is /root only, not
Okay,
home something.
that's it. Okay.
So let me start it because of this. I think now it should be run. Uh, so
Service.
it should run. Okay, 8:35 it should run. Let's try it because it was not running earlier. Cron The service should run, otherwise it will not work. Okay, let's try for another 20 seconds. Eight. 55. It should run 835. Okay, now if I'm doing ls-l, can you see this? See, it was not there earlier. Suddenly it came. Okay, let me check that our particular content, what is there. What it is there? It is telling uptime was 27 on that time. Now what is 28? So 1 minute back only that particular thing ran. So now let me check, it should happen. Next output I want again. Okay, contf hyphen e. Okay, here what is there? It will override the thing as of now, because I didn't give double greater than. I should give double greater than. Now it will append the thing. Okay, now let me check get uptime. So this is one ran 35. It should run on 36. I should get 36 output also. Okay, now 36. I'll just get it. Can you see this two output I got? And every time, and 837 also I'll get this output. 838 also I'll get this. Who is doing? The cron job is doing. I'm not doing anything as of now. Everything is doing by automatic. So this is called automation in Linux. Because of this automation, Linux is more powerful. I can schedule anything. I don't need to do every time go there and execute it. Okay, now let me check the timing. Okay, still 836. I should get that. Anyone is asking any question or doubt or? Okay, fine. So let me check whether it is 8. Okay, still 836. 836. Now once I'll do this, it should be 837 also it ran. Can you see this? 835, 836, 837. So it is running every time, like whatever timing I have given, it is just running. Any doubt here? I can schedule some other time also every 5 minutes, right? Now it is 837. I want it should run on 840, right? Okay, let's try it. 840. I'll mention 8. It means at 840 it should run. Here it is telling next it should run this date 840. Okay, so I'll give this 40 and 8. What I'll say cron tab hyphen e. E means edit. Okay, here I'll say 40 and 8. Here I'll give 40 minute and 8 o'clock every day, every month, every year. I'll save it. Okay. Next, it should run on 840 only, not 839. Okay. See, till 838 is it there, right? Now 839 will be not there, but 840 will be there. So we need to wait till 840. Another 2 minutes we need to wait. Got it, right? Okay. Once this is done, let's see. Then we'll proceed with other task also. Any doubt till here? You can till 2 minutes. 2 minutes are there. You can ask any doubt, any question. I'll try to answer. No doubt. Yes, no, maybe. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. I thought I already done. So it is 839. Let's check whether 839 is there. 839 is not there because I changed the timing, schedule timing. Now it should run on 840, not 839. Let's wait for 840. 8:40 did happen. Okay, another 9 seconds. Yeah, now it should be there. Oh, yeah. Now can you see this? It is 8:39 because I didn't get that particular time. I gave it should run on 8:40. So whatever timing I have given, it just ran it. Can you see this different? 8:39 skip because I didn't give that particular time. I gave 8:40. Run on 8:40. Clear, right? Okay. So now I can do another thing. I'll just try to reboot. I'll say my system should reboot at particular time. Now what is the time? 8:40, right? I'll give. I want to reboot my system. First, let me check the path. What is the path for which reboot? Because sometimes you have to give the full path. User has been rebooted. Okay. So I'll say cron tab -e. Okay. I'll say now I'll just hash it. I don't want to run this as of now. I'll say run now 41. I'll say 43. Okay. 8 o'clock 43 space 8 o'clock and every day. Okay. It means what? It should reboot this server at 8:43 every day. So today, let's see whether it is rebooting or not. I will wait for 8:43. Now almost 8:42 is there. So another 1 minute. Just wait for another 1 minute. It should reboot. Here it will be showing server is rebooting. This kind of information I should see. Okay. Let's see for 8:43. Now 8:42, 1 minutes. If I want to see what are the cron tab are available, cron tab -l. So this has means it is not working. This is commented out means it should not work. Only this one. Whatever hash is not there in before, that will work. Hash is there means it will not work. I just commented it. Okay. This is the bigger difference is hash without hash. Okay. At first hash means it will not work. It is just commented. Okay. So it should run on 8:43. Let's see what is the time. 38 seconds. We'll wait for another few seconds. "56." After 4 seconds, it should show me the reboot. Oh, can you see this? I didn't do anything. What it is telling? The system will reboot now. And it sent the broadcast message also. The system will reboot now. Can you see this? I didn't do anything. It is automatically done by cron job only. I just mentioned in this time my system should reboot. And it rebooted now. Now I need to restart the session. I'll say restart. Yeah. Now I got the login and I'll check the uptime now. What is the uptime? It should be 0. See, can you see this 0 minute? Now only just came up server. It is too fast because nothing is running as of now. If something else was running means it will take some time. This is totally empty server. No application is running. Clear here, clear on cron tab. If it is clear, then I'll move with some other stuffs.
Yes, sir.
All good, right?
Yeah.
Great. Now I'll be explaining you guys run levels on Linux. Okay. So run level, what is run level? See, if I am just when I'm just turning on the server, okay, that time whatever files folders available in the Linux on that particular folder, it is not like every folder it will check. On particular folder, Linux first it will check what I need to do. Whatever mentioned over the particular folder, whatever I'll mention, it will be try to check over there and try to perform it after starting the server itself, like it is initial time. Okay, so what are the things what it is telling? A run level is a state of init. The whole system defines what system services are operating. Run levels are identified by numbers. Run level is a mode or state in which Linux system operates. Okay, it means like during the starting time of the my server, whatever I'll be mentioning in that particular file, server will go there and check it. Oh, I need to start this. Okay, I'll start it. I need to stop this. I need to stop this. So those things it will be performing after starting that particular service. Uh, Let me pick up the call. Okay, I'm back. So it means like whatever I'll be mentioning during the starting of the server will perform those actions, whatever I'll be mentioning. Okay. So what it is telling, whenever a Linux system boot, firstly the init process is started, which is actually responsible for running other start scripts, which mainly involves initialization of your hardware, bringing up the network, starting the graphical interface. So who is starting those things? Initializing hardware, bringing up the network, this process called init. So init is responsible to start your all other services. So the first process interview question can come to you like, what is init, what is the work of init, what is the first process of the Linux boot? That is called init. Okay, now, the init first finds the default run level of the system so that it can run the start scripts corresponding to the default run level. So it means first init will go to their run level file where the run level is available, where I have mentioned which run level the Linux server should run. What is this run level? I'll be explaining in the next slide very clearly. Okay. So here it is telling a run level can simply be thought of as the state of your system enters. Like if a system in a single user mode, it will have a run level 1, while if the system in a multi-user mode, it will have a run level 5. So Linux has different run levels. Okay. Now next slide I'm showing you. What is this? So there are 7 run levels are available. It will start with run level 0 to run level 6. Okay. So what is run level 0? It means halt the system or shut down the system or power off the system. Okay. What is run level 1? Single user mode. In this run level, only one user will be able to log in. In previous class, I created multiple users, right? If you are in this run level, you will be only able to log in with single user, only root. Okay. Now there is run level 2, multiple user mode with no NFS, network file system. So in run level 2, multiple user will be able to log in, but they cannot connect to network file system NFS. Okay. In run level 3, multiple users mode under the command line interface and not under the graphical user interface. It means multiple user will be able to log in with network, but there is no graphical like same mine. See, I am here only command line only, there is no graphical for me. It means it can be run level 3 also. Okay, if I am checking run level 3 or run level 5, it can be. Let's try it. So what it is there, what it is telling, run level 5. So if it is 3 also, that is also fine. Okay, 4 is user definable. So in 4 we can customize our own run level, but it is not using as of now. And run level file what? Multiple user mode with GUI. So if I am installing some other packages, I can be show here. GUI also can be there here, but as of now I don't want to use GUI. And the run level 6 is reboot, which is used to restart the system. So if I'm mentioning here something like, hey, if I am rebooting my system, which run level this server should come up? I can by default what it is there, run level 5 it is available. I can tell reboot. Reboot means every time whenever server will come, it will reboot. Whenever server will come, it will reboot. So if we are just mentioning something here, this one, it means every time it will be rebooting. So don't use this one. Okay. And don't use this one also. It will, because every time it will shut down. Every time it will come up, again shut down. Come up, again shut down. So we should not use these two. Okay. Now here also we can use temporary init. If I am telling init 6 here, can anyone tell me what will happen here? What is the RAL level? 6. 6 means what? It will, yeah, it will reboot the system. Okay, init space 6. Can you see
Space.
this? It rebooted the system. If I am doing init 0, it will shut down the system. Got it, right? What is the use of init? So init is the first process and it is run level. Like it is controlling the run level. Which run level your server should be running? Okay, let me restart the session again. Okay, I'm able to log in. So if I'm checking uptime, it is 0 minute only, I think. Yeah, it's 0 minute. Just now only server came up. Okay.
So run levels are one-time executable, is it?
No, I can mention permanently. After reboot, every time it will execute. Okay. See, this is I gave only just command. Its command level means one time, that is fine. But I can make it permanent also. So
Okay.
command is there. Let's try to search it. How to set run level in Linux. You have to search like this. I have commands I can give, but you have to search like this. Okay. So let's try to check it what it is giving. Here now these are the options are available. Now in this like latest version, they have come up with this kind of system D options. Okay, earlier earlier init process was there. Now it moved to system D. So we can do three this. If I want to change it to run level 3, so we can give multi-user dot target. Okay, what is the command? Yeah, systemctl set default. Now what is the default? I'll say okay. Default is graphical dot target. Okay, I can set it to some other target. Let's try it. I think what is the command to set? It didn't show me. Set default. Earlier it was there init tab, so we can use that. But as of now, system D came into picture. For system D, okay, here only set default. Okay, oh, correct only. So systemctl set default. As of now, what was there? 5, right? In 5, you can say run level 5. I want not run level 5. I want run level 3. What is the run level 3 called? Run level 3 dot target I can mention here. Let's try to set it. Okay. Now if I'm telling run level, which run level I am in, I need to check run level command. Now what is there? It is 5. I need to reboot it to take the effect. Okay. As of now, run level 5 is available. Let me reboot this system and I'll show you it should be run level 3 because I have set it here. Set default to run level 3 dot target. Let's try to restart the session and get the details. So once I executed this, where it is setting, it is just setting here. It is setting on this file that it should be run level 3 dot target. Okay, I'll show you that one also. So previously I said like each and every configuration Linux is storing as a file only. So it is storing this configuration here only in this file. Why system is not coming? What happened? Let me take the duplicate session. EC2 user. Okay. Now if I am checking, so the hyphen I run level here, which run level I am in? Can you see this? It
Three.
changed to 3 because I set it, and to take effect you have to reboot this, and where it is saving here. I'll open this particular file. I'll show you. If I'm doing cat this file, here only all the details are available. It is all the details. What multi-user system? What would be the service? Uh, request basic dot service rescue target. See basic dot target. So it has given all the details whatever needed here. It just edited over here. Okay, if I am giving something else here, maybe something else will be there here, some other name will be there. Okay, so this is called the run level. So once the service is starting for init, it is coming to this file, it is checking which run level I should run, it is checking here and it is getting the details, and as per that it is starting. Got it right, or any doubt here? All clear?
Very good.
Okay, great.
So, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So, why do we use this run level?
Yes, let me go to my slide. What it is telling, sometimes what will happen, to troubleshoot I need to go to single user mode sometimes. So that time what will select, run level 1. Sometimes I don't need network also. It depends on my criteria, it depends on my requirement. Sometimes I don't need this GUI. That time what will select, will select run level 3. If I am selecting GUI means it will be somewhat heavy, your system performance can be slow. But if I am using only this particular command line interface, my system performance will be better, so we can use that time. So it depends on your requirement, what is your requirement.
So, all these files is going to store in the EC2 instance.
On the server itself, which server, whatever server you will be, that server. You see, as of now we are playing with EC2, so it will be storing in EC2 only.
So that means AWS cloud.
Yeah, AWS cloud. Yeah,
Okay.
EC2 in the sense, in everything is storing here. uh, if I am doing df-h, okay, so here in this particular disk only, HGB disk I have given. So in this disk only I have everything is storing here. 1 minute, I'm getting one call. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, any doubt?
Yeah,
I
one
need
more
some.
doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So let's say there will be multiple users for one EC2 instance.
Yeah,
And will every individual get the option of doing this run level thing, or is it for only for the admins?
yeah, it is only for the server. So whoever will be available on that server, they will get this particular thing only. It is not like for user one run level zero, user two. No, one
So,
run level will be there on the server. Every user will be accessible.
access.
Access.
Like,
Yes,
oh,
it is like server specific, not user specific.
okay. So there is no like giving permission or anything for this, no? Like everybody can do this.
Oh, this changing.
Yeah.
Oh, this change can be done. Whoever has that sudo permission, root permission, like whoever has the administrator permission, they will be able to change this run level.
Okay,
Normal
that's
user cannot do.
uh, so if there are multiple users in this, and then only like the who has a root permission can be able to change this.
Yes, correct.
In the industry, we don't give anyone the administrator access. Only when during the configuration, nobody plays with the init or the run levels until unless there's something that goes wrong. So, like until unless it's absolutely necessary, we don't do anything that.
So why? What is the point of having this? Like, what? Why are we using this?
So imagine like you had. Let me take the example of Windows. How you guys had now. So there was something known as the CrowdStrike issue, right? How many? I mean, I don't
Hmm.
know if you've actually faced it or not. So when you actually booted it over there was something known as a backup from the. You had to boot in the safe mode, or you had to boot with thing, right? Like you had to go into the troubleshoot that blue screen where you had to find out that you can troubleshoot and you have to remove that CrowdStrike file. There was an issue with the CrowdStrike file. So over there, we had to go, we had to configure, we had to remove that file and then boot back the system. So only the people who have special privileges to do certain things. Imagine you get a job as a Linux admin now. All right. So you need to know the basics because DevOps doesn't mean that you only play with the tools. It works that way. You'll need to know all these basics before you step into the world of DevOps. Without knowing that, playing with DevOps is actually very dangerous. So these are mainly the tasks of admin. Tomorrow, imagine you'll need to configure certain Linux servers automatically. So you are pushing some script which will actually configure servers. So in that, we actually make sure that we are setting these run levels during the deployment of the servers. Now imagine you need to set these like you are only keeping it as a single user mode and you are
Hmm.
going to configure 100 servers. You can't sit and deploy one EC2 instance, one EC2 instance for everyone, right? You write one script and it has to deploy 100 servers over there.
Hmm.
So during that time, this will be helpful, right? So you can't simply say that these are not important. These are very, very important. Maybe not you're not going to sit and configure for everything. You'll have to know why you're configuring it.
Hmm.
Yeah, make
Okay. Yeah.
sense?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Samuel, over.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Agas. So, any other doubt? I think for today, that's it. I don't want to proceed with other tasks. Maybe tomorrow I'll come up with different task. So you can ask me any question, any doubt, if you
I
have.
have actually, but not related to today. As yesterday I was said, I was not able to do that inbound rules.
Okay, okay. So you have opened your AWS console
Yeah,
as of
shall I
now?
share my screen?
Please. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Samuel, we can ask the others to leave, right? So we can stay only people who are wanting to understand or troubleshoot
No, no, no.
what is the
Yeah.
issue. They can leave.
Yeah. Let it be
They
there.
can
I'll just,
let them
yeah.
be. Okay, let them be there.
Yeah. Go to security section. Yeah. Security section. Okay. So here inbound is there. Only 22 port is added. Okay. Can you go somewhat right side? Security group widget 6. Okay, widget 6. Um, Okay, open that. You can see upper that inbound rules. SG something security groups is there. Right?
Okay.
ST launch that
Yeah, upper side of inbound. No.
scroll down. Yeah, security groups over there, right?
Yeah, click on that. Yes. Okay. Now edit inbound. Okay. Add rule. Yeah. Open custom TCP. Open custom TCP one. Yeah. Here you will be having HTTP. Go down somewhat. Yeah. HTTP. And in custom 000 give the anywhere IP address. Yeah.
Anywhere
Admit
IP.
one.
Yeah.
And save it. Now you should be able to do HTTP. That port was
Yep.
not added because of that.
So no need to restart and all. It will be done.
Yeah. Now try to
Automatically.
search it. Yeah. Now you need to search. Take the IP address. Oh, you didn't enable it. Just start the service.
Hmm.
It is
Systems. Yeah.
start
Yeah.
HTTP.
No need to give sudo also, right?
If you are in root, no need to give sudo.
No,
You're not
I'm
in root.
EC2 instance.
Okay, then give
So
sudo.
Yeah.
Not service. That is HTTP. Service name
CD.
called HTTP.
HTTP.
Yeah. Now try to check the status. Status HTTP.
Yeah.
Status.
Yeah.
Now
No check.
get that IP address and go to the browser and try to check it. Give 80:80 you have to give.
Yeah.
Works.
Okay, great. Now it is fine.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, no
Thanks,
problem.
Akash.
So if no other doubt, we can complete the session. Tomorrow again we'll meet. And for today, whatever done, please try to practice it. Try to schedule job for maybe some uptime. I showed you, right? The same command everyone should run, and I should get the output for every not every minute. Yeah, every minute, at least for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 output I need for from everyone through cron job. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, then that's it
Thank
for
you.
today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye bye.